Alright, Prajwal is saying, sir, established bullish credit spread with 45,400 PE on Friday with 15 lots. Part booked my position once we saw prices above. We were with some profits and was holding 5 lots, risking that profit which I had made by booking 10 lots. Your thoughts on this approach? Yeah, it's actually advisable to do that based on some sort of market development. So if it goes in your favor and you believe that yes, you're making decent chunk of money, 50 to 75% is my usually the threshold I advise. So if you are making say 50 to 75% of your profits, you can actually, it's must that you part book some of those profits, right? So it's always advisable that you take some money out of the positions when it is working for you, but there has to be some rule to that. So you cannot just keep it open ended, because then you will never know when you are taking the correct decision or not. So if it is giving you 50 to 70%, 75% of your profits in a credit spread I'm talking about, then you should book it. If it is a debit spread and you are making 50 to 75% profit, you should book it, period. Forget about it. Don't wait for it, because debit spreads can go wrong very, very quickly, and they will also not give you good enough time to adjust. There are no adjustments, but it is very, very difficult to deal with it. If it starts going, the paper profit starts eroding, then it's impossible to deal with that. So you should book profits, right? So that is actually a very good thing that you did.